Good morning, this is Mark of the Wicked Edge Expert Corner group. And what I have here is a standard Wicked Edge 130 on an aluminum base from Wicked Edge. I have my cube right here in front and have it zeroed out. What I'm trying to show you here is the angle issues that I ran into as a Wicked Edge user as I was learning how to use it. Let me show you what we have here. This is a French Sabatier knife. It is a utility knife, kitchen knife. It is clamped clamped 1/2 inch above the jawline in a standard Wicked Edge 130. There is nothing accessorizing this. This is a basic Wicked Edge 130 from Wicked Edge. I do have on this side an upgrade micro adjuster, and on this side is the standard included micro adjuster. Just for comparison, I'm clamping this knife all the way to the heel, making the blade level above the jawline. Just for comparison's sake, I did measure it, and it is 1/2 inch above the jawline, which is lower than Wicked Edge uses to calibrate. They use a 5/8 inch rise on the clamp for their calibration. So I'm already lower. Now, I did say that I have an aftermarket upgraded adjuster here. The only difference between the two is the height. The mechanics of the adjustment with the screw is similar on both sides. So we're going to start. I did show you that I zeroed out the cube to make sure, yep, it's zeroed. And the lowest angle that I was able, I did do this to speed it up, I'm able to bring that piece of paper all the way up where the stone is resting on the edge, on the apex, and I'm getting 15.2 degrees roughly. That's with the original Wicked Edge micro angle adjuster. The older one, this is an old original Wicked Edge micro angle adjuster bracket that's been upgraded with the Ed Kenny adjuster. But the bracket is the original Wicked Edge bracket. The geometry doesn't change, the height, the width, all that's the same. This is set for this knife at the closest angle that I could get it. And touching, so I'm going to back off. And I'm pulling the paper up as high as I can. I'm closer. There we go. So now I'm up all the way to the edge, and it's 15.9 degrees. Okay, so 15 degrees, 15.9 degrees is the lowest achievable angle by checking. But in reality, when you start sharpening, you're going to be bumping the stone. As you first remove a little bit of steel, you're going to be bumping the vise with your stones at 15 degrees. So the whole purpose, I wanted to make the point that on these knives, these kitchen knives I'm trying to sharpen, at 1/2 inch above the jawline, that 15 degrees is the minimal possible angle you can achieve. The issue is that there are many chef knives, Japanese chef knives specifically, that are in the 14 to 15 degree range. Therefore, it became challenging to sharpen these with the standard Wicked Edge setup. So I'm going to move over the next one and show you how the progression went. I'm going to stop this video and then move this standard setup out and put in a setup that has been accessorized with a riser block. This is a standard Wicked Edge 130. There is nothing here to augment the geometry to help you to achieve lower angles. This is a base 130 that was available from Wicked Edge. It is now a discontinued model, but there are still some out there in the marketplace to be had. Okay, Wicked Edge 130 base model.